Occasional invaders like to visit every once in a while, but you don't have to welcome them into your home. Check out a few tips to keep these pests away. 1. Seal entry points. To keep pests out, you need to seal potential entry points. Seal cracks and gaps and make sure weather stripping and window screens are in good repair. Repair damaged siding so pests can't slip inside. 2. Eliminate moisture. Pests need moisture, so keeping your space dry is key. Repair leaks, ensure your gutters are working properly, and make sure water drains away from your house. 3. Clean your yard. Remove leaf piles, grass clippings, and other yard debris where pests can hide. Keep your lawn, tree limbs, and shrubs trimmed. Store wood piles away from your house. 4. Keep your house clean. Occasional invaders eat crumbs and pantry items, and some of these pests feed on paper and cardboard. Cleaning up crumbs and spills and storing items in plastic containers can help keep these bugs away. 5. Use plant-based insecticide sprays. Plant-based insecticide sprays can help prevent and control bugs. Our yard bug spray and home bug spray kill pests on contact and provide residual repellency. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.